Okay, this video is going to show you how to get started with the robot. So I've opened a demo document and I'm going to show you how to take the parts from our AMT file and put them in here. So today we're going to do the head, the body, and the waist. So in the demo doc, or in your new document that you're going to open, you want to open the assembly tab. So go down to the bottom and create the assembly tab, and then we're going to go to insert. Hopefully some of you guys are getting pretty good at this. It's happening pretty fast, but the only way to get better is by practicing, so we're going to keep doing that. So in the AMT one, you should have a document called robot parts, and in it you should have all the pieces to create this. So we're going to start by putting the body in first. So just click on it, and then you go out here and click. And we'll go ahead while we're in here, we're going to put the waist and the head in there. We'll just put these off to the side. Okay, we'll click the check, and remember the first thing that we always do is fix a part. So we just want to fix one part, and then we'll use the constraints to do the rest. So now that our parts are in here, we're going to go up to Fasten Mate, or sorry, Revolute, and then we're going to go all the way in. So we're going to get that circle that's all the way in there. Oh, actually, no, we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do an offset. So we're going to choose this top part, okay, and then we're going to choose the bottom of his neck in the center. And that should make it right at the top, and then we're going to do an offset of 0.25. So just give it, should go in there a little bit, and once it's in there, we should be able to turn the head around. Alright, now we're going to do the waist the same way. The waist will go all the way in though. So we'll choose Revolute. Choose the circle that's inside. So you want to make sure you get that circle, not the cylinder. You want the circle. And then choose the top of this circle, just the ring, and then click the check to save it, and that should allow his waist to spin. So that's your first warm-up.